Gagin, di ako marunong.
Original spot natin. Hello guys, ang dying.
We are in... So we are...
Bro doing?
Guys, so we are in the bus.
Yes, we are in the bus.
So this is my brother. He's very black, you know?
Hoy. Hoy. Bro. Hindi ko alam guys, saan kami pupunta. Nandito. Uy, gagi. What is that? Dito kami sa Vietnam guys. Sa bus.
Guys, may papakita ako. Bad trip si Kuya Queen. Bad trip yard.
Dito kami sa sa mga yung parang handcrafted na painting. Pumasok kami sa loob mag-picture. Ito yung mga gawa siya sa sa mga shell. Gawa yun sa shell, di ba? Tapos gawa sila ng mga handicap na tao. Ayan, gumagawa sila dyan. And doon kami pumasok.
Di nyo nakita.
Hug mo na.
Di nakita.
This is my daughter.
What the?
Of course, she is dumb.
This is my father. Of course, he is so dumbest.
I'm not dumb. She's dumber.
He's the dumbest in the world.
Alright. So over here you can see almost the weapon, the modernist weapon from U.S. Army. Because during the Vietnam War, for the U.S. Army, whenever they invented the new weapon in Vietnam, they also have the place for them to test new weapon.
Fortnite.
These guns, the local people here, they recycle everything, and they make their own gun. Very simple, like this. That's for the local people.
Gagi. Oo nga, pwede pala tayo shooting.
So guys, wait. Parang maingay ito, guys. Ayan. Parang maingay. Tapos parang pupunta kami sa cave. Sa tunnel. Amen. Tapos charot. No.
Bam bam bam. Ticket. Is the ticket. Ticket.
Tunnel.
Boss?
Yung secret tunnel, guys.
Kasya ka ba dyan? Tingnan mo.
So during 20 years, the local people here they dug the tunnel with very simple tools. Just this.
Just for like for
The
gardening.
hole and the span. Just this by hand without any machine. During that time, as you can see, they recycle everything, even bomb shell. Later, you can see they cut the bomb, they collect the bomb shell
And use it
to make the weapon.
shovel.
Yeah. And they also make the other, for example, landmine. So over here, you can see there are many different bunkers. Resting bunker, meeting bunker, or even kitchen bunker. Here,
Kitchen.
weapon bunker. Yeah. So it's the model. Okay. Usually it's the secret entrance. Connect to many other secret entrance, and they can move under the ground. The model. I already showed you the bamboo truck. This is the real truck. This is bamboo truck. Okay. So imagine without the fence like this, and just normal ground. They step on this, and this is what happens. So those sharp waiting for the movement of the army.
Damn,
Yeah.
bro.
They didn't know what happened. This
You know,
bamboo truck.
hindi kasi kita sa camera eh. Basta may mga
It's
spikes.
like psycho. What is the purpose of this?
Bomb?
Ants Canada.
Yeah, termite mound. This is termite mound. So in the jungle, tropical jungle, there are a lot of termite mound around us, right? The local people here, they also use the termite mound to get air. Okay. So under the ground, they put the bamboo stick. They put the bamboo stick, and they get the fresh air. That's why they can breathe under the ground. And sometimes it's the real termite mound. Sometimes it's fighting change. Fighting change means under the ground they also make the change. And then they put the guns over this hole and kill the opponent.
20,000 ora.
Yes. Hide and seek master. Ito mismo yun.
Yung bato ko yan.
Oo, real to. Dito sila naglaban. Valorant?
Guy, Valorant yan.
Yesterday was Halloween.
Halloween.
Alright, so over here you can see the fighting change.
Check nga natin. Check ko nga. I go down, bro. Fighting bunker.
Punta ka nga dyan, Kuya Julian.
Ako? Ang dami. Okay, naiwan na kami, guys. Ito yung legit na kung saan sila naglaban talaga. Ito yun, guys. Gagi, guys. May tangkay Protect. Look at this. Boom. It's the tank, bro.
Boom, 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 boom. Shooting range ako na ito.
Alright, so you can see the tank, they stuck in the jungle. It's the evidence to prove that US Army also stuck in the battlefield. Even they use many kind of weapon, the modest weapon, but still cannot work. Local people here, they remove the part, many parts in that tank. For example, electric device, radio,
Okay.
light, many things inside. They reuse that. They take out of that. And even for another part, they also can recycle to become their weapon and their tools.
Okay, guys. Ito yung tangke. Solid yan, boss. Solid. Solid, boss.
Ang dami na lang napatay.
Forest to.
Oo. Mga ano dito. Eh mga ano, wala naman sila knowledge dito sa lugar na to eh.
Tapos maliit
Kaya
pa yung mga Vietnam.
marami talaga nagbuhos ng buhay na kano dito.
Bamboo truck, right? Right now, I will show you many other very simple truck, but it works very well. Okay. The first thing, sticking truck like this. So imagine it's just normal ground, and someone when they step on it, okay, let's see what it works.
Bye-bye, alleluia.
Those sharp will stuck in their leg.
Tusok ang puwet nila.
Flipping armpit truck.
Tusok ang puwet.
Someone fall down, and those sharp will stuck in their armpit.
Ay!
Sleeping armpit. Kagi pa yung kilikili tinatrap.
I love blood. Ito, bagagagit ako eh.
Rolling trap. Gagi, babay ka dyan, boss.
Gagi, chong truck.
Chong chang chong. Uy, boss.
Yeah, we also use
Folding
this
chair.
drop. This one in the hole and someone step on it, it will start that one. Yeah. And you couldn't take the leg out.
Because of the hook.
Right. You need to take hold this strap and take the people come to the hospital. It takes time, very hurt and scary. They have another method.
Sakit na yun eh. Ganapan ko lang na. Sakit. Kadiri ano yan?
Durian.
So you can see over here they use very simple traps because the first purpose was for hunting animals. But during that time, they lack of weapon. They lack of weapon from the north, so they use everything, right? So this is another trap. Okay. So for this trap, when the U.S. Army they try to get in any houses, they didn't knock the door. They just try to kick out the door and enter that right away, right? This one, they hold it up in the cellar, and whenever someone opens the door, this will drop down. But you can see there are two parts. So normally, the well-trained soldier, they will use two hands and stop it. Yeah. But this part flexible and still can
Gagi,
work.
tusok.
Yeah, especially for men. Yeah, it still can work. At least three people to dig the tunnel. One of them under the ground, inside the tunnel, to dig out the tunnel. And then he moved the soil to the second one. Here is the second one. When they get the soil, the second one will move to the third lady over here. Because they need to hide the soil. So the lady over here, she will take all the soil to Saigon River or to the bomb crater to hide. So that is the way they dig out the tunnel.
Okay guys, dito ginagawa yung ano nila. Yung mga uniform ng mga soldier ng Vietnam dati. Ito guys, I will show you. Look, look. Ay, joke lang. Ito pala. Ito pala, store pala yan.
So this one, we call this is Ho Chi Minh sandal. Ho Chi Minh sandal. Yeah. And normally when we wear the sandal, we wear it this way, right? But during that time, the U.S. Army they also try to plant a kind of grass. With that grass, during the rainy season, it grows up very fast. And during the dry season, they burn all the grass. So whenever you walk, there was the footprint. So the local people here, they wear like this. So whenever they go forward, it's backward. It's the way they can hide their footprint. And this is made from tire, car tire. Yeah. Very durable. You can use that for 100 years.
Ito sa akin, no? Look.
Gagi, ang laki na ito.
Parang sa Bigfoot. Parang si Bigfoot.
Bomb beats? Gagi. Inultihan ni Reyes to guys. Ito yung binomba dati. Ano ang lalim mo?
Pray ka muna, boy. Oh my Jesus.
Una ka. Go down.
Ito na yung wait lang.
Buti may ilaw ako, boss. Pababa tayo
No
guys.
pain, no gain. Don't be scared. Mahirapan ako yun ah.
Eh, hindi ka mahirapan kasi you're small. Just watch your head, Chanel. Kakasabi ko lang watch your head. Away na ikot.
I can do this. I can do this every day.
Vietnam. This is Vietnam. Trying the task.
Oh my God!
Meron pa din yung task. What the hell?
Parang, parang so above and so below ba yun?
Narrow down. Di ba narrow?
Go, Bing. Okay, Jaden.
Gagi scoliosis. Gagi may scoliosis. Gagi.
Oo.
Gagi. Oh.
Gagi.
Si Kuya Jun, kamusta?
Ang sakit.
Okay.
Because we're small.
Be careful, Bing.
Oh, tek. Kakapagod ah.
Yun lang. Pagod ako ah. Yun lang, pagod lang ako.
Gagi, pinagpawisan ako ng boss.
Ebidensya na mga nakasurvive.
Claustrophobia ka, mahirap.
Kung takot ka sa...
Actually, you already tried 20 meters.
Yes!
20 meters!
20 meters pala yun?
The medical wonder.
10 meters kaya. I'm small.
Yeah, sure. You can.
20, 10.
20.
Tara. Pwede.
Medical
Gagi,
ba?
tunnel pala to eh.
May tunnel pa dito.
Gagi, may tunnel dito. Lupit.
Medical bunker, guys. Oh.
Okay.
Nakakahiga. Dito sinasurgery. Halika na. Hit na tayo. Wow, grape.
Sago.
Ang gaging sarap.
Sarap, di ba?
Sago.
Lasang gulaman.
Kasi bata pa kayo eh.
Parang tubig.
Na may konting sweetness.
Guys, I don't like it.
I like this honey.
Pag nag-age kayo, magdi-different yung taste nyo. Appreciate nyo na yan.
Alam ko, I like it. Tsaka.
Kasi diba, coffee, tea, or me?
Okay guys, merong tea. Kulay yellow. Lasang ano siya, sampagita. Legit. Parang galing simbahan, boss.
Chicken.
Tara yung mga food. Yeah, food check.
It means that the architect wanted to hope that when they have meeting together with the political, it's always serious. Everybody always serious, right? But with this table, will help them to feel closer together. And they use another thing, the color. The main color of this room is green color. And they believe that with the green color will help the people be calm down. Yeah, be calm down and closer. The gift from Hong Kong. Yeah, 1973. They have the gift from Hong Kong. You can see there's some dragon represent for the king, for political, for the power. And the pink inside the circle represent for the queen. Yeah. And they hope that with the gift will can stay with the government, the southern government, and they can be strong. But of course, they lost. It's the vice president's room. Yeah. So in Asia, we really like yellow and red color. So for the yellow color represent for wealthy, yeah, prosperity. And red color represent for lucky, right? Luckiness. Yeah. This is ambassador chamber.
Ambassador's chamber.
Yeah, whenever the ambassador from other countries, they want to send their relationship and they want to send a letter, yeah, they come to this room to visit the president and his member, his cabinet member over here. And the architecture of this room, like
Egypt?
no, Japan.
Japan.
See?
Ah, the lowered, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so here's dining room. This area is for president family. Yeah, private area. So for the architecture, he is Asian, he is Vietnamese. That's why we believe in feng shui. So inside the house, we also make this area to have the sunlight, to have the wind, natural light. Yeah. And with the water inside the house also bring the wealthy for the boss. This is Western style for the view. It means that every single chair or every single guest, they have their own plate, own fork, own knife. See? They also have their own glasses. Yeah. But when you move to this table, the Asian style, round table, we can share our food. We can share everything in the table, very close together with this one. Right? That's more for kids, for children. And here is the bedroom for the president and his wife. The main bedroom over here. Of course, right now we see it's quite regular, but in 1920 century, you can enjoy the life. And inside, they also have over there AC.
AC, may aircon
In
na.
1970s, they already have AC. They had AC over there.
Okay.
Cellphone meron.
1970. Aircon, boss.
Here, they playing poker and matcha. Yeah.
Matcha, mayo.
Game room check.
Okay, everyone. Now we almost finished. Here, the first purpose from the architect Ngô Viết Thụ. He wants to build this floor to become the meditation place for the president. Whenever he wants to think, he wants to relax and come down, he could come here. But they don't like meditation. So they changed the purpose of this floor, become dance floor. With the piano over there. This is the dance floor with the singer. Cha-cha-cha disco. Yeah.
Dito kami sa bunker. Bunker to, di ba?
Bunker.
We're gonna go bunker.
1972 and in 62 and 1975 also
Gagi, first zoom.
two pilots tried to draw a bomb. So that's why they
There was a girl swearing in the elevator.
you can see the
Should I
walls
push her?
are thick. And the people, especially from
The radio room? Radio room? Radio room?
telephone booth.
Hey, look at that. Look at this.
I'm trying to push the girl in the elevator. She's so... Oh, I'm trying to push her, pero ang bigat niya eh, parang Peppa Pig na siya eh.
Mercedes. Hello everyone. Ayan, nandito kami sa War Museum. Look.
Flying ka, ano, kapay
War
daw.
Museum.
Parang lumilipad na kabao.
Ito yung mga airplane. Ito mga jet.
Pero dapat ano, magka...
Tapos, syempre dito sa side na to, may mga tanke, bro. Look at these, bro.
Dalawa kayo.
Mga tank.
Dali yun. Ay.
Ayun kayo, no? Touch mo yung ano, tigas niya. Boom!
Gaging init ah.
Ah,
Ano daw?
ano boy, may picture tayo, boy.
Gagi.
Kantay mo yung kay KSI.
To the screen, to the ring, to the pen, to the pen. What's up? What's up mga dogs? So, andito kami sasakay kami sa ano ba yun, parang sa bus yung London, yung second floor. Pero saan ba tayo papunta? Saan ba tayo papunta?
Sa shoe store.
Guys. Oh. Wait lang, himo na ako.
Ihi mo na daw siya.
Can you hold this? Ha?
Ihi mo na daw siya, guys. Oh! Kadiri. Ayoko na mag-vlog. Task ko muna to, guys. Tatawarin ko si Kuya Green, guys. Wala ka ng face ko. Kuya Gwen! Kuya Gwen!
November to pala to.
Dito ako mag-vlog. Vlog ka. Ba't niya, guys? Uy, mag-vlog ka na dito nga. Bigay na natin.
Hi guys, papunta kami sa Tokoshimaya, yung mall na bilihan. Tapos sasakay kami sa sa Grab. Belos bossing.
Naalala naman yun?
Asan ka ngayon, boy?
Let's
Saan ka
go.
papunta? Saan ka papunta, boy? Sabihin mo kung saan ka pupunta.
I don't know. Sapatos.
Ito, Takashimaya. Dito kami guys sa sa Takashimaya. Ito, pakita ko sa'yo. Takashimaya Hotel, guys. Lola, mga ka-vibes mo. Ano? Mga nanay. Uy, makabasag ka. Gucci yan, boss. Gucci yan, boss. Gucci pala to, boss. Mga Gucci. Ito guys, oh. Gucci. Gucci yan, boy. Gucci.
3, 2, 1. Tingnan mo, boy.
Dirty yan, dirty.
Diba ito?
Gagi boy, dirty yan, dirty. Okay guys, nasa third floor na ata kami. Tapos mayroon Uniqlo. Laki ng Uniqlo din dito eh. Tapos Bose. Ito yung mall mismo, ayan. Punta kami sa Reebok guys. Kasi gusto ni daddy ng Reebok. Ito, kabila. Ayun ba yun?
Anthony Edwards.
Ayun ba yung vintage?
Oo, to. Oo, yan.
Naka-sale. Magkano?
Ito ba yung vintage?
Oo, daddy.
Classic nakalagay.
Oo, yan.
Check mo nga. Potek, walang maintindihan pala. Look at this dude.
Nalik ko yung ano.
Hindi, di ba? Okay, no? Okay, so, iiwan, no? Walang ganito sa Pilipinas.
Parang ganyan sa
Ito, daddy, bago, Dame 9. Himuan niya din. Dame 9, guys.
Pero ba't yun to?
Ayan, halika.
Daddy!
Ganda nung pink, oh.
Kagi, ang ganda. Kagi, nainggit ako dito sa Vietnam na to
Ganda nung pink, oh.
Okay naman.
Yung kabila, hindi ganyan. Yung kabila.
Kagi, kukunin ko yan.
Ang ginagawa mo, babe.
Lalakihan ka talaga pag kinonvert natin.
Candy. Aray.
Pero yung actual talaga. Pero ganun na rin yun.
Sabi mo, binilan ba ako?
Thank you! Binilan ako ng AE. My dream sapatos.
Oy, bibili ka din eh.
Hindi!
Bakit?
Yun na talaga yung ano. Ito siya, guys.
You're happy?
Happy na ako.
Ano ba? Ano? No, nambudol ka na naman.
Tignan ko nga. Ang size. Tignan ko nga. Bitaw mo na. Tignan mo nga kung tama yung size, kitten.
8.5.
O di, parehas kung tama lang. Nasa Vietnam tayo.
8.5, magkasukat tayo. Pwede ko
Tignan mo nga. Tignan mo kung parehas. Size.
Ito.
US. Tama ba?
8.5 na
8.5.
Damn.
O, 8.5 oh. Balik mo na. Okay na, oh.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa mall sa Takoshima. Takoshima ba to?
Takashima mo.
Takashima
Ice cream
Mall.
yan?
Bumili kami ng mga shoes kanina. Tapos, nandito kami sa coffee shop. Ito, cafe latte. Tapos, pizza. 4-piece pizza. Ay, 4-piece pizza yung tawag dito sa place. Tapos, cheese yung in-order namin.
Okay?
Pahinga ko ang sugar. Pasin ko kayo. Charot.
Pizza, kain ka ng pizza.
Okay, wait. Mga fans, mag-subscribe.
Ayan, pizza guys.
Kagi, wala nang sugar ah. Huh? What's this? This is lime. Ay, sorry pala, orange. Orange.
Kain muna kami pizza and then ayun, update ko na lang ulit kay mamaya.
Second, baby.
Wow,
Never mind.
mainit. Mainit yung pizza guys. Check na lang. Ang sarap. Sobrang creamy. Tapos, part niya pa ng cafe latte. Tapos ito yung ano eh. Yung sugar, syrup. Dami ko nilagay dito eh, para mas masarap. So yun guys, nasa labas ulit kami. And sasakay kami dun sa 2-story bus. Sasaksak natin dito. Yung solid, may music. May music. Ito yung post office. Itong part na to. Ito, post office yan. Ito lahat. Dito kami pumunta kahapon eh. Basta yung pinapakinggan namin ngayon kung anong place na yun kung nasang place na kami. Ito yung Notre Dame, ano to?
Notre Dame. Ayun, Notre Dame Cathedral.
Notre Dame Cathedral ito. Ginagawa pa. 2026 na matatapos to. Mga 2026 matatapos to. Ito yung circle, di ko alam mo na tawag dyan eh. So yun guys, andito kami sa may coffee apartment. Naglakad lang kami. Tapos ito siya. And then bumili ako ng Sunday McDo on the go. Yun lang. Pupunta na kami dun ngayon. Bakit? May nag-chess dito. May nag-chess. Ito guys, may mga plants. Ito yung coffee shop.
Hello guys, so we are in Ola Heya, yung parang cafe. Dito kami nag-lunch. So, eto, alam mo ba to? This is a drum. Watch, listen. See bro? That's a drum. Either you can use your feet. Oh, hindi pala. Kala ko lang. So, go there. Okay, halika na.
Alis na kami.
Flashback.
Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung food namin. Ito, meron akong beef na may rice. Ito yung tuna poke bowl. Tapos, ito pork. Tapos, ito beef yun. Ito yung place.
Ito yung rice niya, oh. Ayan, oh. Yung rice.
Sa plano yung tuna?
Nakuha mo na yung tuna?
Ito, kumuha ko ito tuna eh.
Ah, okay.
Tapos dinurog ko to, egg pala to. Kala ko mashed potato. Yeah, tapos meron pala akong dito, smoothie. Siya, strawberry tas watermelon. Ito nga, avocado.
May rice
Sarap
to.
na ito.
Sa gilid.
Hindi sa baba ata eh.
May konti lang ka.
End of flashback.
Kakababa lang namin kotse. Hindi na kami sa Landmark 81.
There's Starbucks. Starbucks. Meron ng Starbucks.
Dito kami ngayon sa Funny Kids.
Hello guys! So, parang mag-VR kami yan. VR? The VR thing. So, ayaw ni Kuya Gwen ng jungle, takot siya. So, roller coaster na lang. Hoy, takutan sa jungle! Roller coaster. Takot.
Ayun o, yun na lang gusto din ni Chanel. Para matry mo, boy.
Gaging scary.
Na!
Ayun o. Try mo, eto.
Dali na!
Ginawa sige na.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Nakikita natin yung nakikita ba? Saan mo yung monitor? Mamaya habang may ano. Balan pag ano. Oo.
Wear glasses to face the front.
Kamusta?
Oh no!
Tingin kayo, tingin.
Wow! Hello! Hello!
Parang ito yung...
Look! Look! Oh my God! Ghost Queen! Ghost Queen! Ghost Queen!
Silipat pa tayo mo.
Pawis na.
Video mo.
Oh my God!
Ganda. Ganda.
Wala yung background! Alam mo ba, feeling ko yung may mga birds